Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel and share this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually mine BTC. How you can actually mine BTC on KuCoin. KuCoin is an exchange platform that can actually give you the opportunity to mine BTC. Now, if you want to start mining BTC, you have to use my link below this video to sign up. Use my link. Make sure you use my link to sign up. Now, after using my link, you are going to come to this interface. You are going to log in to your account after you use my link. After you use my link and sign up, you are going to come to this interface. So make sure you come to this interface. Now, when you come to this interface, now we are going to do your KYC. So to do your KYC, click here, click on this profile here. So click on that place. Now when you click on your profile, you can see that it is telling that I have done my KYC. So if you have not done yours, you have to click on this place where you see my mark as a verify. Why it is written verify, you should click on that place to do your KYC. So now you can see that it is written what verified. So your own, it will tell you to what verify. So just follow the prompts. So you can verify using your word BVN. It is very fast. Now let me go back to the home page. Now after you verify your account, so you click on this. Now you can see this line. Now you can see so after you sign up, do your KYC. Then now do what deposit. Make a deposit. You can make a deposit here. So to make a deposit, you click on deposit. Now when you click on deposit, it will take you to this page. Now you allow it to load, and make sure you stay where there is enough network to avoid any glitch in the network. Make sure you do what you stay where there is enough network. Now you can see, so you can click on USDT if you want to deposit USDT. So I will prefer use what USDT. You can see, click on USDT. So it will now when you click on USDT, you are going to see where you'll be able to do what copy the address. So the address you are going to copy here, you are going to copy the address and go to your wallet that you have USDT and deposit here. Now you can select any network key that you feel that you want to use. Okay, let me share. Okay, you can select BEP20. Just type BEP20. You can see this BEP20 is very good to use because the transaction fee is not high. So you can use Tron. You can also use Tron. You can use Tron. So either of the two you can use it, or anyone that you feel that you want to use there. Now you deposit it. So to deposit. So after you click on the address, so you deposit into your account. Now what I want to show you here is how to actually mine BTC. Now to mine BTC, click on BTC here. So and if you cannot find BTC here, you can click on more below here. Click on more below this. Click on more. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Now when you click on more, now you can see it here. Come to this place. You can see it is here. So just click on it. Click on KuMining. Now when you click on KuMining, it will take you to the next page. So So let us wait for it to load up. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Now you can see that. So if you take it to this interface, you can see. So you come to this ZEC. You can see this ZEC. You can scroll down. You can see BTC. So let's say I want to mine this BTC. So just click on this BTC here. So you click on this place order. You can mine any of this. You can mine any of this. You can mine any of this. So now let's click on place order. So when you click on place order, so you tell you to enter the minimum amount or any amount that you want to use. So you can, so depend on the amount that you deposit. So you can click on any of the one that you deposit. So let's say I want to click on this. So I'll just enter $10. So $10. So let's just $1. I'm just assuming. So you can choose from the account. So you click on select account to choose from the account that you have money. You can see. So you can choose from there. So then you click on the period. So you click on period. Click on period. You can click on 7 days. You can use 30 days depending on the number of days that you want to mine. So when you do that, so you click on next. You may decide, now look at this. So if you scroll up, you can see. If you want to choose light, this is light. So if you want to choose pro, this is pro. So let's choose pro. Let's say we want to choose pro. So if you click on pro, you can see. So this pro is now. See this pro now. You can see. You can follow the same process. You can see. This is very fantastic. You can see. So you can just follow the same process and start mining. Just choose the number of days that you like to mine. So you can choose 30 days, you can use 90 days, you can use 180 days and 30 days. So you can see this is the hash rates. This is the hash rates. Then you also scroll down, you can see. So after you choose the percentage of available hash rate, you can see. So you can choose any of these percentages. You can draw this. You can draw this. You can draw this like this. You can draw it up to the percent that you want. So then you can click on next. So if you click on next, it will tell you to follow the same prompt, to follow another prompt. So you just follow the prompt. You can see. So I've not actually deposited. So I'm going to deposit after this video. So if I get value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.